Add this one ingredient to your oatmeal to clear your arteries. Most people believe that a bowl of oatmeal is one of the healthiest breakfasts you can enjoy, and they're correct. But here's something many seniors rarely consider. After 60, your arteries naturally start to lose flexibility, and what you add to your oatmeal can decide whether they stay elastic or slowly become blocked over time. Oatmeal alone is a solid foundation, but by itself, it isn't powerful enough to reverse years of plaque accumulation or restore aging blood vessels. That's why in this video, you'll uncover the 5 most effective ingredients you can stir into your morning oatmeal. Simple whole foods that can help clear cholesterol, enhance circulation, and support a strong heart. And be sure to stay until the end, because ingredient number 1 is the most unexpected. It's the one that can visibly improve your circulation in just days. So before we begin, how old are you and where are you watching from? Share in the comments and tell us how your health has been feeling lately. Number 5, cinnamon. Most people think of it only as a seasoning for oatmeal. But after 60, this modest spice can quietly shield your arteries from one of the most ignored causes of stiffness and plaque buildup, sugar damage. When you eat breakfast, your blood sugar naturally increases. But as we get older, the body becomes less efficient at managing those rises, especially after years of processed foods or refined carbohydrates. This excess sugar binds to proteins in your arteries, forming sticky compounds that make vessel walls stiff and inflamed. Scientists refer to this process as glycation, and it's one of the major drivers behind aging arteries. Cinnamon acts like a gentle stabilizer. It slows how quickly carbohydrates break down into sugar, helping your body maintain balanced glucose levels instead of sharp spikes. In simple terms, it keeps your bloodstream steady. Research shows that consistent cinnamon intake can reduce fasting blood sugar and improve insulin sensitivity by up to 24%. When blood sugar remains controlled, arteries stay smoother and more flexible. But that's not all. Cinnamon is rich in antioxidants known as polyphenols, which defend blood vessels from inflammation and free radical damage. It's like giving your arteries a warm, calming massage each morning. Seniors who begin adding it daily often report steadier energy, sharper focus, and fewer afternoon crashes. When selecting cinnamon, choose Ceylon cinnamon, also called true cinnamon. It has a milder flavor and contains far less of a natural compound called coumarin, which can strain the liver in large doses. Start with half a teaspoon sprinkled over your oatmeal after cooking. This preserves its delicate oils and aroma. It's remarkable how something as small as a spice can improve not only the taste of your breakfast, but the health of your heart. Cinnamon doesn't just enhance your oats, it helps your arteries stay youthful. Number 4, extra virgin olive oil. Here's an addition most people would never consider: a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil on your oatmeal. It may sound strange, but this simple habit can do wonders for your arteries after 60. Extra virgin olive oil, often referred to as liquid gold, is one of nature's strongest heart protectors. It's rich in polyphenols, natural compounds that reduce inflammation, prevent artery walls from stiffening, and allow blood to flow more easily. As we age, these polyphenols become especially valuable because they help restore the smooth, flexible structure of blood vessels, keeping them strong yet elastic. In several large studies, people who consumed just 1 to 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil daily showed significantly lower levels of LDL, the bad cholesterol that blocks arteries. Their blood pressure improved, their arteries became more elastic, and their overall heart disease risk dropped by as much as 30%. For seniors, these improvements aren't just statistics, they're changes you can actually notice. Warmer hands and feet, less heaviness or fatigue after meals, a steadier heartbeat, and better focus throughout the day. But here's the real secret. Olive oil doesn't just protect arteries on its own, it actually improves the absorption of nutrients from the other ingredients in your oatmeal. That means every spoonful works harder for your heart. The key is to always choose extra virgin olive oil, cold-pressed and unrefined. Avoid light or blended versions since they're heavily processed and stripped of their natural polyphenols. And most importantly, never heat it. Heat can destroy its beneficial compounds. Instead, simply drizzle 1 teaspoon over your cooked oatmeal just before serving. It adds a smooth, gentle richness and turns your breakfast into a truly heart-nourishing meal. Each drop works quietly inside your body, keeping arteries supple, circulation strong, and your heart protected one morning at a time. Number 3, blueberries, small blue gems from nature that deliver powerful support for aging arteries. Their rich, dark color isn't just attractive. It signals the presence of special compounds known as anthocyanins, strong antioxidants that defend your blood vessels from within. As we grow older, our arteries are exposed to increasing stress from unstable particles called free radicals. These particles harm the delicate inner lining of arteries, causing them to become rigid and uneven. This is where plaque formation begins. Blueberries function like a natural cleaning team, neutralizing free radicals before damage occurs. Picture them as microscopic armor for your arteries, helping them stay smooth, resilient, and flexible. In a study published in the Journal of Nutrition, adults who consumed 1 cup of blueberries each day experienced significant improvements in arterial elasticity and circulation. Another study showed blueberries help raise nitric oxide levels, a compound that allows blood vessels to relax, leading to better blood flow, reduced blood pressure, and enhanced oxygen delivery throughout the body. For seniors, this leads to noticeable daily improvements. Warmer hands and feet, a steadier heartbeat, clearer thinking, and greater endurance during walks or household tasks. These are clear signals that circulation is getting better. When adding blueberries to your oatmeal, aim for about half a cup of fresh or frozen berries. Frozen berries are just as beneficial since they're harvested and sealed at peak nutrition. As they heat up in your oats, they release a deep blue-purple juice, a natural indicator of antioxidants blending into your meal. Skip canned or syrup-packed versions, as added sugars can cancel out the benefits. For variety, combine blueberries with raspberries or blackberries to expand the range of protective compounds. With every spoonful, you're doing more than eating fruit. You're giving your arteries daily maintenance. Blueberries are like youth in a bowl, quietly renewing vitality from the inside out. Number 2, flax seeds. They may be small, but when it comes to artery protection, these seeds pack serious power. Many people ignore them, yet they contain one of the richest sources of soluble fiber and plant-based omega-3s, 2 key nutrients that help arteries stay clean, strong, and flexible. Flax seeds act like nature's internal sweep. Once consumed, their soluble fiber attaches to cholesterol particles in the digestive system and removes them before they can harden into plaque. Think of it as a gentle daily cleaning for your arteries. In one study, participants who consumed flax seeds daily reduced their harmful LDL cholesterol by as much as 10% within just 4 weeks. But cholesterol control is only part of the story. Flax seeds are also loaded with a unique omega-3 called alpha-linolenic acid, or ALA, which helps calm inflammation inside blood vessels. When arteries remain smooth and relaxed, blood flows freely, delivering oxygen to the heart, brain, and muscles without obstruction. Many seniors begin to notice subtle but meaningful improvements after adding flax seeds to their routine. Warmer hands and feet, easier breathing, and a gradual rise in morning energy. These are signs that circulation is improving naturally. One important reminder, though. Always use ground flax seeds, not whole. Whole seeds often pass through the body without being digested, which means losing their benefits. Purchase them pre-ground or grind them yourself using a blender, then store them in the refrigerator to preserve freshness. Add 1 tablespoon to warm oatmeal and allow it to thicken slightly. The taste is mild and nutty, pairing well with fruit or honey. It's a simple habit that builds long-term protection. Each spoonful quietly removes what doesn't belong and creates a smoother pathway for lifelong circulation. Quick pause before we reveal our final and most powerful ingredient. If this video has been helpful so far, please tap the like button and subscribe to our channel. It truly helps more seniors find this information. And let us know in the comments how your health has been feeling lately. We love reading your experiences and stories. Now let's move on to the final ingredient, the one that may surprise you with how quickly it can boost blood flow and help slow artery clogging after 60. Number 1. Walnuts. They may appear ordinary, but inside they carry one of the most potent nutrient blends for keeping your arteries clear, flexible, and youthful. Think of them as tiny helpers that allow your heart and blood vessels to breathe freely again. Among all nuts, walnuts provide some of the highest amounts of omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and a unique amino acid known as L-arginine, which your body transforms into nitric oxide. This substance works like a soft message telling your arteries to loosen up, letting blood move smoothly without strain or resistance. But here's the reality. As we grow older, our natural nitric oxide production gradually declines. That's one reason many seniors notice colder hands and feet, slower recovery, and even rising blood pressure. Adding walnuts to your oatmeal can help counter that. Research shows that eating a small handful of walnuts each day can meaningfully enhance blood vessel flexibility and lower triglycerides, a form of fat associated with heart disease. In simple terms, they help bring back elasticity so your arteries can widen and narrow smoothly like they once did years ago. Many older adults who adopt this habit feel changes quickly within weeks. Some report improved circulation, steadier blood pressure, sharper focus, and longer-lasting morning energy. That isn't magic, it's biology working on your side. Walnuts also supply vitamin E, magnesium, and polyphenols, all of which shield your artery walls from oxidative stress and stop cholesterol from adhering. Together, these nutrients support your cardiovascular system from several angles: structure, performance, and protection. For best results, eat 4 to 5 walnut halves each morning. Chop them and sprinkle them in after cooking your oatmeal so they preserve their crunch and healthy oils. Skip salted or sugar-coated varieties, since those extra additions can cancel out the heart benefits. With every bite, you're doing something small that adds up in a meaningful way, providing your arteries with the nourishment they need to stay resilient, flexible, and free-flowing. It's not just breakfast, it's daily heart support in a bowl. Now, let's move on to some common questions. By now, you may be thinking, this sounds great, but how often should I actually eat this? Do I need to combine all of these ingredients every morning? Excellent questions, and I'll explain them clearly. First, let's discuss frequency. For most adults over 60, making this heart-supportive oatmeal part of your regular breakfast is one of the easiest and most effective habits you can develop. Oats, flax seeds, cinnamon, blueberries, and walnuts are all natural foods. Gentle enough for everyday use and powerful enough to create real change over time. There's no need for extremes, just consistency. When it comes to heart health, small daily choices accumulate into big results. Now, what about mixing all the ingredients together? Yes, absolutely. You can safely combine them in a single bowl. And in fact, when you do, they work even better as a team. This is where the real benefit shows up. It's called nutrient synergy. When natural foods enhance each other's effects inside your body, the fiber from flax seeds helps your system absorb antioxidants from blueberries more efficiently. The healthy fats in walnuts improve absorption of cinnamon's protective compounds that guard your arteries. And here's something many people overlook. A light drizzle of extra virgin olive oil brings everything together. Its natural polyphenols act like a transporter, helping your body take in more nutrients from the rest of the bowl. It also directly nourishes your arteries, supporting circulation and keeping your heart strong with every spoonful. If you prefer, ease into it. Add flax seeds 1 week, cinnamon the next, then slowly bring in blueberries, walnuts, and finally the olive oil drizzle. Once the habit forms, there's no pressure. The aim is consistency, not perfection. Another common question is, what's the best time of day to eat this? Morning is ideal. Starting your day with these nutrients allows your body to use them right away to balance blood sugar, support circulation, and keep your energy stable through the afternoon. But if you enjoy oatmeal as a light dinner, that works too. The benefits remain. And here's a simple tip many seniors enjoy. Prepare small jars of your dry mix in advance: oats, ground flax seeds, and cinnamon. In the morning, just add water or milk. Toss in blueberries and walnuts. Drizzle a bit of extra virgin olive oil, and your heart-friendly breakfast is ready in minutes. Finally, remember, the goal isn't perfection, it's progress. Even if you eat this oatmeal only a few times per week, your body will benefit. Every bowl encourages smoother blood flow, healthier cholesterol levels, and stronger arteries, gradually restoring what time has worn down. So whether it's an occasional breakfast or your daily routine, this isn't just food. It's a simple act of care for your heart, one that can truly matter after 60. Before we wrap up, remember that while all of these foods are natural and supportive, it's always wise to listen to your body and speak with your healthcare provider before making major dietary changes, especially if you manage conditions like high blood pressure, diabetes, or cholesterol issues. The information shared in this video is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult your doctor or qualified health professional with any concerns about your health. Now, let's briefly recap what we've covered today. By adding just a few simple natural ingredients to your morning oatmeal, you can help clear your arteries, boost circulation, and strengthen your heart, all before breakfast. Ground flax seeds help remove harmful cholesterol and soothe inflammation inside your arteries. Cinnamon helps balance blood sugar and protects your blood vessels from damage. Extra virgin olive oil. A small drizzle of this golden liquid feeds your arteries, reduces inflammation, and improves nutrient absorption from the other ingredients. Just 1 teaspoon can make your entire breakfast far more heart protective. Blueberries help restore the inner lining of your arteries, keeping them smooth and flexible. And walnuts, your final secret ally, support nitric oxide levels, helping your arteries stay open and youthful. When you combine these 5, your morning oatmeal becomes more than a basic breakfast. It turns into a daily heart care ritual that quietly supports your energy, focus, and circulation one bite at a time. And the best part, you don't need pills, supplements, or costly treatments. Just real food, consistency, and a little self-care each morning. So if this video helped you, please like it, share it with someone you care about, and subscribe to this channel for more simple science-based tips to help you live stronger, longer, and healthier. And if you've been enjoying our content, consider clicking the Super Thanks button below to offer a small show of support. It truly helps us continue creating videos that empower seniors just like you. Remember, the smallest habits often lead to the biggest changes. The next time you stir your oatmeal, you're not just making breakfast. You're building a stronger heart, clearer arteries, and a better life, one morning at a time.